Best Gaming PC Build Under $3,000 2024. Hello everyone, please give us energy with your likes, comments, and subscriptions so that we can create more videos for you. Today, we're going to build the best and most future-proof system with the highest performance within a budget of $3,000 to $4,000, or maybe even less. Of course, prices change, so consider this budget as a rough estimate. We hope we can help you. Here's a powerful gaming PC build that offers exceptional performance without breaking the bank. Components: CPU, AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. This 16-core processor, with its 3D V-Cache technology, delivers incredible performance for gaming and demanding applications. Motherboard, Gigabyte X670E Aorus Pro AX, a premium motherboard with excellent features, including PCIe Gen 5 support, ample connectivity, and robust power delivery. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080. This high-end graphics card offers stunning visuals and ray tracing capabilities, making it perfect for demanding games. RAM, Corsair Vengeance DDR5-6032 GB. Fast DDR5 memory ensures smooth gameplay and multitasking. Storage, Samsung 990 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD, a blazing fast SSD for quick boot times and load screens. Case, NZXT H7 Flow, a spacious case with excellent airflow and a sleek design. CPU cooler, Noctua NHD15, a high-performance air cooler that keeps the Ryzen 9 7950X3D running cool and quiet. Power supply, Corsair RM1000X, a reliable 1000W power supply that can handle the demands of this powerful system. Additional considerations: operating system, Windows 11. Monitor, consider a high refresh rate, high-resolution monitor like the Asus ROG Strix XG32UQ. Peripherals, choose a comfortable keyboard, mouse, and headset that suit your preferences. Remember to check current prices and availability as they can fluctuate. This build provides a fantastic balance of performance and value, making it an excellent choice for gamers seeking a high-end system without spending a fortune. CPU, AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. We'll provide two key reasons why we chose this specific CPU, considering our budget constraints. Fact 1. Exceptional gaming performance. The 3D V-Cache technology on this processor significantly improves gaming performance, especially in demanding titles. This is particularly beneficial for games that are heavily CPU-bound, ensuring smooth gameplay and high frame rates. Excellent value. While the Ryzen 9 7950X3D is a premium processor, it offers exceptional value compared to competing Intel options. It provides a balance of performance and affordability, making it a great choice for those seeking a high-end gaming experience without breaking the bank. Compatibility and future-proofing. This processor is compatible with the AM5 socket, which is a relatively new platform. This means you can easily upgrade your motherboard and other components in the future as new technologies become available. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D is a fantastic choice for gamers who prioritize performance and value. Its 3D V-Cache technology, combined with its competitive pricing and compatibility, make it a standout option in the market. Fact 2. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D stands out primarily due to its innovative 3D V-Cache technology. This technology stacks additional L3 cache directly on top of the CPU cores, significantly improving performance in applications that are heavily cache-dependent. Reduced latency. When a game needs to access frequently used data, it can do so much faster from the on-die L3 cache compared to slower system memory. This translates to smoother gameplay and fewer stuttering issues. Improved frame rates. In games that are CPU-bound, the 3D V-Cache can help alleviate bottlenecks by providing more data to the CPU quickly. This can lead to higher frame rates and a more responsive gaming experience. In essence, the Ryzen 9 7950X3D's 3D V-Cache technology is a game-changer for demanding titles, providing a significant performance boost over traditional CPU architectures. Motherboard, Gigabyte X670E Aorus Pro AX. The Gigabyte X670E Aorus Pro AX is a premium motherboard that offers a combination of features, performance, and value. Superior power delivery, the motherboard's VRM is designed to handle the demanding power requirements of the Ryzen 9 7950X3D, ensuring stable overclocking and reliable performance. This is especially important for those who plan to push the processor to its limits. Versatile connectivity, the X670E Aorus Pro AX offers a wide range of connectivity options, including PCIe Gen 5 slots for high-speed storage devices, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 ports, and multiple USB-C ports. This ensures that you have the flexibility to connect various devices and peripherals. Advanced features, this motherboard includes features like Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and RGB Fusion 2.0 for customization. These features provide added convenience and personalization options for your gaming setup. Overclocking potential, the X670E Aorus Pro AX is designed for overclocking enthusiasts, with features like precise BIOS controls and robust cooling solutions. This allows you to fine-tune your system's performance and push it to its maximum potential. In essence, the Gigabyte X670E Aorus Pro AX offers a combination of power, features, and overclocking capabilities that make it a top-tier choice for those seeking a high-performance gaming motherboard. The Gigabyte X670E Aorus Pro AX stands out primarily due to its robust power delivery and comprehensive feature set. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 is a powerful graphics card that offers exceptional performance for gaming and demanding applications. Ray tracing capabilities, the RTX 4080 features advanced ray tracing technology, which simulates the behavior of light in real-world environments. This provides stunning visuals and a more immersive gaming experience. DLSS 3 support. DLSS 3 is a new technology that uses AI to increase frame rates without sacrificing image quality. This can be especially beneficial for demanding games at high resolutions. High performance. The RTX 4080 offers exceptional gaming performance at 1440p and can handle demanding titles at 4K resolutions. Future-proofing. This graphics card is built to last and can handle the demands of future games and applications. Overall, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 is a top-tier graphics card that provides a fantastic balance of performance, features, and value, making it an excellent choice for this gaming PC build. Here are 3 more things to keep in mind. Points 2 and 3 are for all the parts, not just the GPU. 1. We intentionally omitted the brand to give you more freedom in your choice, and we only specified the graphics model as RTX 4080. 2. Budget was a big deal for us. 3. The main thing was to get the best performance now and in the future. RAM, Corsair Vengeance DDR5 6032 GB. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 6032 GB is a high-performance RAM kit that offers several benefits. Fast speed. The 6000 MHz clock speed ensures quick data transfer, which is essential for demanding applications like gaming and content creation. Large capacity. 32 GB of RAM provides ample capacity for multitasking and running resource-intensive programs. Compatibility. This RAM kit is designed to work with AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, ensuring optimal compatibility and performance. Overclocking potential. While not guaranteed, this RAM kit has the potential to be overclocked to even higher speeds, providing a further performance boost. Reliability. Corsair is a well-known brand for producing high-quality memory modules, ensuring reliability and longevity. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 6032GB is a solid choice for this gaming PC build, offering a balance of speed, capacity, and compatibility. Storage: Samsung 990 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD. The Samsung 990 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD is a high-performance storage solution that offers several benefits. Blazing fast speeds: this SSD boasts impressive read and write speeds, ensuring quick boot times, load screens, and overall system responsiveness. Large capacity: 1 TB of storage provides ample space for games, applications, and files. Reliability: Samsung is known for producing reliable SSDs, and the 990 Pro is no exception. It features advanced error correction technology to protect your data. Compatibility: this SSD is fully compatible with modern systems, including the components in this build. Gaming performance: the high speeds of the 990 Pro can significantly improve gaming performance, especially for titles that load frequently from storage. Overall, the Samsung 990 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD is an excellent choice for this gaming PC build, offering a combination of speed, capacity, and reliability. Case: NZXT H7 Flow. This is merely a suggestion. The final decision is yours. Excellent airflow: the case's design prioritizes airflow, with mesh panels and strategically placed fans to ensure optimal cooling for your components. Spacious interior: the H7 Flow provides ample space for building a high-performance system, including large graphics cards and liquid cooling setups. Modern design: the case has a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements various build styles. Cable management: the H7 Flow includes features like cable routing channels and a PSU shroud to help keep your build organized and tidy. Compatibility: this case is compatible with a wide range of components, making it a versatile choice for different builds. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow is a solid case that offers a balance of performance, aesthetics, and value, making it a great choice for this gaming PC build. CPU cooler: Noctua NHD15. The Noctua NHD15 is a renowned air cooler known for its exceptional performance and reliability. High-performance cooling: the NHD15 is capable of cooling even the most powerful CPUs, including the Ryzen 9 7950X3D. This ensures stable performance and prevents thermal throttling. Quiet operation: Noctua is famous for its low-noise fans, and the NHD15 is no exception. This ensures a quiet gaming experience, even under heavy load. Compatibility: the cooler is compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, making it a versatile choice for different builds. Build quality: Noctua is known for its high-quality products, and the NHD15 is no exception. It features a durable construction and premium materials. Low maintenance: the cooler's fans are designed to be long-lasting and require minimal maintenance. Overall, the Noctua NHD15 is a top-tier air cooler that offers exceptional performance, quiet operation, and reliability, making it a great choice for this gaming PC build. Power supply: Corsair RM1000X. The Corsair RM1000X is a high-quality power supply that offers several benefits. Sufficient wattage: the 1000W rating provides ample power to handle the components in this build, including the Ryzen 9 7950X3D and RTX 4080. Efficiency: the RM1000X is highly efficient, reducing heat and noise while improving overall system performance. Reliability: Corsair is known for producing reliable power supplies, and the RM1000X is no exception. It features advanced protection features to safeguard your components. Modular design: the modular cables allow you to connect only the necessary cables, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. Quiet operation: the RM1000X is designed to be quiet, ensuring a peaceful gaming experience. Overall, the Corsair RM1000X is a solid choice for this gaming PC build, offering a combination of power, efficiency, reliability, and quiet operation. Monitor. Consider a high refresh rate, high-resolution monitor like the Asus ROG Strix XG32UQ. The Asus ROG Strix XG32UQ is a high-performance gaming monitor that offers several benefits. 4K resolution. This monitor provides stunning visuals with its 4K resolution, offering exceptional detail and clarity. High refresh rate. The 160Hz refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay, reducing motion blur and providing a more responsive experience. Fast IPS panel. The fast IPS panel offers wide viewing angles, excellent color accuracy, and a fast response time, making it suitable for both gaming and content creation. HDR support. The XG32UQ supports HDR, delivering a wider range of colors and brighter highlights for a more immersive visual experience. GSYNC compatibility. This monitor is compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync, reducing screen tearing and stuttering for smoother gameplay. Adjustable stand. The stand allows you to adjust the monitor's height, tilt, and swivel for optimal viewing comfort. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix XG32UQ is a top-tier gaming monitor that offers a combination of high resolution, fast refresh rate, excellent image quality, and advanced features, making it a great choice for demanding gamers and content creators.